How to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app is not working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app is not working. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure the app is up to date. To check, you need to launch Play Store or App Store and search Microsoft Authenticator app. If there is any updates, select Update button to update it to the latest version. Now, you need to move towards other steps. Simply tap and hold Authenticator app and select App Info. Here you need to tap Storage Users and tap Clear Cache. Clearing cache will free up the app from different glitches and bugs. And now once done, you need to check whether the issue resolved or not. If not, once restart your device, hold power button and simply swipe towards restart. And once done, your Microsoft Authenticator app not working issue will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.